Most people get this wrong when they search for ways to make money playing games. They think any app that says, "earn while gaming," will instantly replace a job. But here's the truth no one tells you. These platforms can pay, but only in small amounts unless you understand how they actually work. In this video, you will discover 5 game apps in 2026 that really do pay, how they work, and what kind of earnings you can realistically expect. And by the end, you will know which ones are worth your time and which ones are not. Let's start with the first type. Reward-based gaming apps like Missplay. This app pays users for trying new games and staying active. You earn points that can be exchanged for gift cards. But here's the problem. The earning speed depends heavily on the games available in your region. Second is platforms like Swagbucks Live. This one mixes gaming with live trivia and offers rewards for participation. Now, here's where it gets interesting. It rewards knowledge more than gameplay, so fast thinkers usually earn more. Third, we have apps like Lucktastic. These are luck-based games where you scratch digital cards for prizes. It sounds exciting, but the reality is that earnings are unpredictable and usually very small. Fourth is skill-based gaming platforms such as Skilled.io. These apps let you compete against real players for cash prizes. This is where most people fail. They assume winning is easy, but you actually need practice and strategy to earn consistently. Fifth are play-to-earn style ecosystems like Bitcoin Blast. These games reward users with crypto-based incentives. Now, here's the key detail. While payouts exist, they depend heavily on market conditions and token value. Let's make this real. Someone like Alex, who casually plays Missplay games during free time, might earn small gift cards over weeks. But someone like John expecting daily income from skills tournaments will need real skill and consistency to see results. In a minute, here's the most important insight most beginners miss. The real money is not in playing more games, but in choosing the right type of game platform that matches your skill level and time. Now let's be honest about expectations. These apps are legit, and they do pay, but they are not designed to replace a full-time income. At best, they are side activities that reward your spare time. So what is the final takeaway? Yes, you can make money playing games in 2026, but only in small, realistic amounts. The top earners focus on skill-based platforms and consistency, not quick luck. To summarize, these 5 platforms work, but your results depend on effort, strategy, and expectations. Treat them as side income, not a paycheck. If you found this helpful, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns like this.